This is Patricia. I'm traveling for history. I'm in Burlington, Vermont today, and this is Elmwood Cemetery. The cemetery is typically locked up, but because Vermont Old Cemetery Association is here today repairing and cleaning headstones, the place is open, at least until noon, as of the filming of this video. We can see that they repaired this one, and because, besides the fact I know they're here working, because they have it braced. It takes about a day for the cement to solidify. So these braces will stay on until then. And even though this has a peekaboo hole, it has been repaired, which is fabulous. All right, this is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. Thanks so much for following me, for subscribing to my channel, and watching my videos. I'm on all the social media you are, so if you'd like, you can follow me there too. All right, until I see you again, I hope it's as sunny as it is here. Bye now.